It's Patrick from Meyle. Just give you a quick idea about our OCK product range, like oil change kits that we actually offer to the aftermarket. We started all that business like 7-8 years back in the days. Since that time we were really successful with the full product, and what we actually offer is like a full kit that comes along with the ATF and with all the components that you actually need to do a proper job. You know, got all the magnets, the screws, of course the filter elements, which are actually necessary to replace all the time whenever you perform the service. And we all know that, you know, lifetime filling was just a rumor going around into the market, and 100% sure every single car needs at least 3 to 4 oil change services in the car life. So basically what we got right over here is like the full kit as it looks like, and that's the one, an oil pan of a Mercedes 9G Tronic that we just came up with. We just launched it this summer, and it's basically an oil pan that is quite special in comparison to what we know from other transmissions. First of all, we got 2 pipes right here. That actually is something that people do not have to care about it in the aftermarket, because it's actually used for ultrasonic testing. People can check the oil level with an ultrasonic testing tool, but it's just too expensive to buy that tool. So basically we need to take care of this one, and there's actually 4 different positions that we can choose. That's something we see on the other side. We got like 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers right here. That's different positions which we can just set up with that. I used to call it a key. So we just turn it into different positions for draining, for filling, and also for checking or adjusting the right oil change level, the oil level. So that's something that's kind of special on Mercedes-Benz. But anyway, if you need any further details, you know, check out our YouTube channel, and you find everything in regards of these transmissions and all the others you will find in the market.